Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're installing a bunch of AC Schnitzer parts and also some M Performance parts onto this 435 diesel convertible. So we're just going to run you through some of the parts we're installing, show you what it looks like, obviously installing the parts, and then what the car looks like after. So we're going to start with probably one of the biggest changes. Obviously you've got the AC Schnitzer wheels. So these are 20 by 10 inch all the way around. Then you've got the AC Schnitzer springs here, so it's about 10mm lower all around versus the standard M Sport suspension. And then we have the M Performance discs and a brake caliper upgrade as well. So upgrade into a 2-piston at the front and then a single piston caliper at the back. And then also we've got the AC Schnitzer intercooler. So obviously on these cars, massive problem. They've got the same intercoolers like on a 114i. So as soon as you start to obviously use the car in a hot temperature or also increase the boost through obviously installing like a tuning box or tuning the car, it starts to feel like really lethargic. So that will help prevent like heat soak. So we're installing the AC Schnitzer intercooler as well. And we've got the tuning box. So this doesn't overwrite the standard ECU software, so it literally just like a plug and play module, so changes some of the fueling, the boost maps, stuff like that. So we're going to get all this fitted and let us know what you think.